I'll show you a couple of the best crypto mining software on PC. Now I'm gonna show you ranging from the easiest to the hardest, right? So first off, the most easier and the most beginner friendly to my knowledge is called Kudo Miner, right? This is a very simple miner, very simple UI, easy to understand. You can see you can earn money from your idle hardware. Kudo Miner is a cryptocurrency miner packed with features that help you earn as much as money as possible from your laptop or PC, right? So this is very beginner friendly. It should be very easy to install. If you want to install, you just have to click on this to download Kudo Miner. It's available on Windows and Ubuntu, it seems, so Linux. Now, if you don't want Kudo Miner, there is another miner called Cryptex. Now, Cryptex is slightly less beginner friendly. It's more intermediate, but you can see a gaming PC with these specs, a Ryzen 7 and a RTX 3070 Ti, it can get you about $100 per month. If you have a mining rig, you can get around $350 per month, and you have a mining farm, it's around $266,000 per month. And you can see with this setup, you can do a mining rig or a mining farm. But for Kudo Miner, I think it's limited to only your current laptop or PC setup, right? So you can pick from either Kudo or Cryptex, right? Or either, if you want the more advanced and the more serious one, there is a software called CG Miner, right? But you do need an AMD GPU, ASIC, and an FPGA miner, but I'm pretty sure this is one of the most optimized software out there. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.